Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Special big up to all our continued supporters. We thank you so much for supporting the channel. And a number of persons, we talk on the phone sometimes and I appreciate the call. Now today we are in the parish of Manchester in a place called Craighead and we are going to be talking to a farmer by the name of Mr. Harvey. So take a tour with us and let us see what is going to happen today. Now before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once you upload a new video you will be notified. So let's go talk to Mr. Harvey. Liz?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. How you do?
Not too bad, you know.
Oh, wow.
Not too bad at all.
See a digger. May I put this on you here?
Wait, I hear you now.
This not do a
So
thing.
you not go heavy?
Make we see if it a go heavy.
That mercy, me can't work again.
Yes,
What
it heavy?
What a weight.
Oh my gosh. I got to try and get a lighter one for you.
Me I tell you.
So we're going this morning.
Me there go on easy, you know.
So you see we finally reach.
Finally find me.
Finally find you. You're
As-
such a busy man.
As you know, say me ain't last.
I would never say that. So what you doing this morning?
Actually, I'm bridging off me some boats to get a market. So, now see me find any.
Oh. Okay. And by boss now you mean?
The round one them.
Okay.
Come in, dig it going already now.
Oh, so that's, I was about to ask you now, so the bosun because you already dig it and cut it off.
Yeah.
So it run up now.
Actually, them here be round up, you know. Cause up water.
Oh,
Yeah, so you can see it.
yeah. This is clay dirt?
Yeah.
Oh,
Tight dirt, this one.
yeah. Oh,
But me I dig it, man. Me really dig it still, no.
yes. But because you're just looking something for your brethren, you just come
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not intending to find a hole in neither.
Oh, wow. Looks like a big one though, Liz. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, as I never know people buy these.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Right now in love with the market, it's a shame.
Are you serious? Oh, wow. So every time you plant
And
the ground and
This
reap.
one, now, this one now look like a good. The
Yeah?
head right. You see this? This not so underneath here, so it's an eye.
Oh.
So it's not under, so this one now, me now plant it back. Because me plant it back next year, same way come.
Okay.
So much I have, 1, 2, see me?
Oh, I see. So it's a bad breed one, this Les.
See me? So actually now, me kill him.
Oh, gosh.
Hold on.
Eh?
Hold on, don't cut yet.
Hold on, alright.
Ants on it though. Holy pa
Well,
ants.
actually, you know,
You want me tell you when we learn? Then say if you use the machete and cut the bad breed
you
head.
clean off it first before you use it again.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, you know so?
Oh. So it really goes so?
Well, actually, you know, you look that way there.
Yeah, so if you cut the bad
Because,
breed head now and use the machete
cut
on
the next
something,
one,
oh, that
it
the one
turn-
automatically become bad breed too? Oh, so may I learn something
Or
new.
sometimes when me do, like when me say now, probably me no cut them right away.
Right.
Me wait until they last.
Until it do what?
Until me finish doing me I do.
Oh,
Me
you
come
leave
back-
it for
me come back
last.
and cut them.
Okay, okay.
know.
Yes.
Actually, me no want no anime next year.
All right, so we're going to leave it for last.
We are going to the last. The last name is Harvey.
Harvey, Mr. Harvey.
Yeah.
Okay, but people call you Les.
Well, I hope I name me have, you know.
And what is your name?
Hope I name me have.
Oh, see.
They call me Shot, man. They call me Brown, man. They call me Fridge, man. They call
Yes.
me AC, man. They call me, when me there be, they call me a fisherman.
Yes. Okay, so you have a lot of talent, a lot of trades.
Alright, see the one here? me not take it out because it have a yam on it going down.
Okay, okay.
See? So me not trouble that one here. No for them are no bad breed no, but then just the hoop of water.
Yeah.
Water round them up.
So why do you have so much water coming down? Because I notice you have drains. It's not adequate?
Well, actually, on Jamaican island here, you have to have drain.
Yes.
Because clear the earth. And when the rain fall, like on the red dirt now, the water just soak away.
Yeah.
Don't you say no soak that easy?
It's settled.
It's settle.
Okay. So even though you have drain, you still have a little water issue.
You still have problem with it.
Yes.
You have to cut, right now, I have to cut one cross out there, so. Found the road come out here, so. And one cross here, so.
Okay, okay. So Leslie, I know you're confused me now because you have so much name. All right, we're going to stick to Mr. Harvey. So Mr. Harvey, how did you get started in
I
farming?
can never stick to Les.
All right, Les. All right, no problem. So Les, tell me how you got started in farming. Tell us rather.
Up in my barn, you know.
Craighead, Manchester.
But actually, I wasn't here for years.
Yes.
Some little cars and now some, over years.
Only per years.
Over years. So actually, I'm only back here now 6 years.
Okay. So you were away for a long time.
For a long time.
And since you've been back, you've been doing farming.
Yes.
Yes. So why farming though? Because you've been away for such a long time and you come back and you do the farming.
Let me tell you how me start back anyway. Me start do carrot. And the carrot wasn't working out too well. Well, she said, let's try yam. And she buy the yam head. And she pay for dig the hill. And she buy the fertilizer. So through me they have a hoop of bamboo now.
Yes.
It didn't bother me because I just cut the bamboo and use the bamboo stick it because
Yes.
through me I already know about the farming already.
Right.
You know?
Yes.
So she do all of that and then me do my part. And when I see the yam beer, I say, no sir. Look like I'm supposed to do more.
Right. You like what you were seeing. Yes.
So we start plant more. And you know, so me come up here with a car, I sell a car
Yes.
and buy yam head.
Oh wow.
And I sell a car and buy yam head. And me plant. That is the longest me ever walk.
Yes.
From 18 until now.
Oh my God. Because you sold your car and invested the money in farming. So it took you a while before you were able to purchase another car.
To me.
Yes.
Sell yam and buy back the one down there so.
Yes.
So
Okay.
that's
So-
how.
That's how you got started back in farming.
Yeah.
So how has it been going?
Well, actually, you know, we start off with 111 hill. And end up with about 3,000 odd hill now.
Oh wow.
That's not bad.
That good.
That's not bad.
But
You know,
that is good, Les. Why we not just say good? Rather than say that not bad.
every year.
Yes.
All right, when we plant here so first, it was 150 hill. All right, now here says 200 and something. I don't remember exactly.
Yes.
Hill is here so. And by the time me take up this now and plant it back, yeah, go up to 300 and something.
So each time you're going up by like 100 or so.
Or 50, them, you know.
Yes. And that's good because you don't have to be buying any
No,
here
you
or
have, no,
nothing.
me not have to buy no more.
Right.
Actually, me plant some of it last year.
Yes.
And when me dig out the hill, me dig too much hill. And me end up buy 100 wheat from our virgin. And me not tell you no lie.
Yes.
The 100 hill beer, I mean the 30 hill plant. And the 30 hill beer like a crazy.
Yeah.
Can me plant the 30 hill and me get 270 pounds out of the 30 hill.
Oh my. That is a lot. That is excellent.
So,
Yes.
you know,
So you would say that farming is working out for you?
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not, because at least me not feel I run up and down, or borrow,
Yes.
or beg.
Right. Okay, so we have another, is round up your call it?
Yeah.
Bosun. Bosun had said.
Well, some people call it bosun, some call it pum pum yam.
Okay.
Kind of different name you have.
Yes.
But I rather call it pum pum yam.
Okay.
a woman woman fi call it bosun, a man call it pum pum.
Okay, all right.
You there, sir?
So while we come here today and we are learn all sorts of something, we are build with vocabulary, it seem like.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, so like this one now.
Yes. Ah, pretty. So Les, when this type of yam go to the market, is the price cheaper than the regular yam?
Yeah, it's price cheaper than the regular yam.
By far? Like how much?
Well, depends on yam price.
So let's say you have the regular yam selling for about $100 per pound or
You
so.
probably get it's a 50.
Okay. Okay. So this one is the one that when you cook it, it really dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you make it cold, you have a problem.
Can't eat it. It's really tough. Yeah.
Actually, I don't like that here. I look too much. I see too much.
So what you would say, it good or you not good? This one?
Maybe. I'm not sure what I do with him.
Okay.
When the day come, you know.
Yeah. So you just leave this one.
Yeah.
Okay. But as I look at you, let's taking out these bosun, it looks so difficult and the dirt.
They're tight.
Yes.
They're tight.
So you ever get discouraged at any time?
If you don't have faith sometime.
You have to have faith to work on the farm. A lot of farmers say that, you know.
And at the rate where things going, one good bag of fertilizer, you have to about 12, 13,000.
So you almost gone $20,000 a year, so.
And the man them work money
It's over $20,000.
And if a man work for you at daytime,
Yes.
either 3,500 or 4,000.
You have to pay them for the day.
You have to pay them for the day. So check up all that.
Yeah, it's costly.
You know. So if you plan to go on a beer, problem that too.
So you got double lose.
Even this one with me right now, we don't make no much of a hit. But guess what now? We might lose this year and gain next year.
True. So sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some.
You know.
Well, let me ask you something, Liz. In terms of the money or the funds that you use to finance the farm, is that money from maybe the farm itself going back into the farm? Is it always that case, or you find times where you don't really have nothing from the farm, you have to find some fresh?
No, sir. If you have to plan back himself.
Right, because that makes sense.
You have to plan back himself.
Because the minute
If you
have
have
to...
one day that's, you know, I don't feel like catch which you have to go in your pocket.
Right.
That's how you go.
Yeah.
You know, but I know every time,
Yeah.
you know.
Okay.
It's not every time it happens. Wait, what going on?
The door was open.
Two doors open and me hear three close.
Oh, really? I heard two.
It chunk locked too? It no say chunk still open.
Are you serious? So you think I go on, Liz?
Me know that more find out. If I time for run hour.
Oh, boy. That one spoiled?
I don't know, you know.
Look
Some
like
of them
some
have
pieces breaking off.
some of them have yam on them, you know. So you have to, sometimes you have to be careful which part you push the stick to.
Okay, okay.
All the money over, so we see dry up, you know, they have yam on them, you know.
Okay.
And they are loosey. Loosey foot.
And you said this
But
is not the only farm.
No, sir.
Where are the others? Up-
Let's go back up the road.
On the main road. Okay.
Little bit of the main.
Yes. But you have a lot, you're surrounded by a lot of farmers down here, Liz, because we're looking at the surrounding and it's all yam.
Yam.
So there's nothing else that is planted down here, like, you know, in terms of vegetable?
We have people plant cabbage. So a young lady, she mostly vegetable she planted with an Irish potato.
Oh, okay, okay.
She farm power will go straight down.
Yeah? Okay.
So, but mostly yam down this way.
Yeah, so I see.
Mostly yam. Put him back, make him go on.
Yes.
When we're ready to take up the head them, then the yam ready.
Okay, on that one. So you have to cover it up back now.
Right up back.
Yeah. So Les, despite the challenges that you just outlined, you know, with the fertilizer and the yam stick and labor and so on, Despite that, it no discourage you. You just keep going.
Yeah, just keep going. Yeah.
Yeah. So is there anything that you think could be done that could make, farming a little bit easier for you?
Right now, I don't know what to think. Because everything going up.
Yeah.
Everything I go up. So, you know.
So the main thing affecting you would say, has to do with the cost associated with planting and maintaining the
Yeah, and
farm.
at the same time, sometimes the yam not carry the price. You know.
But Liz, the yam price going up then too, man.
No, sir.
So everything will go up except the yam price?
Everything I go up except the yam.
Oh my good. Are you serious right now? So you have a challenge then?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Everything I go up away from the yam.
But I know you have times where the price is at a reasonable level.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
when the moon blue,
Yeah, okay. So you stay up there long enough for you make.
once in a blue moon.
Yeah. Okay. So it does go, but not often enough. When the moon is blue.
When the moon blue.
And the moon never blue.
The moon never blue.
Yes. So how much pound of this you supposed to be looking for now?
Well, actually, me find 50 me satisfied with it.
50 pounds? So how much we gone so far? Because you put back about 3 out of the 4 or 5.
Well, I even right now, any much me find me satisfied with it.
Yeah.
But yeah. Well, here's to start take back stick. Yeah. Eh? Yeah, man. Don't leave them, yes.
Wow.
And a piece down this on my own, you know.
Oh, we're looking at, that dry piece close to the mango tree?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's mine too. And the whole cabin belongs to me.
Yeah?
Eh,
Oh.
eh.
So if you decide to go bigger, you have
Yeah,
space.
actually, me plan to go bigger every year, you know.
Yes.
Every year get big. I'm telling you, 6 years now, so me there, and
Yes.
you know.
Because when you were telling me that each time you replant, you have at least 100 more
Yeah.
heads, I was thinking that you may need space, but you have space.
I have a lot of space,
Yes.
you know. So one of them
Oh, I
eat
see
so.
them. See one down over there. They say enough for point pan pumpkin.
And so by so. And sit down there so.
Okay. So I 1 point.
I'm a scale and then me need to transplant though.
Oh, you have some scallion there
Never
too?
scale over so.
Okay.
This is the Christmas money, them.
Chris. Oh. This is the Lucy, you say?
No, man, it's a yellow yam.
Yellow yam. Okay.
By next week, it's a change color, you know.
Oh.
So far reach. So you start from up here, so.
So Christmas, where you do with the Christmas money?
I mean, so we do Christmas money. Everybody do Christmas money. No spending.
What is that for Christmas?
All right, I'll give Christmas.
The Santa Claus when we come, I think I'll give people them.
That me I'll do. That me I'll do, man. But him have to come help me work first.
Exactly. Before he gets some.
Hey, me come help me work first. You see the crack from here, so? See how we don't pay, so?
Oh.
I am, you know.
Yeah?
I am crack the dirt.
Oh, wow. That means a big one in here, so.
I am crack the dirt. And see the head here. See the skull here.
Right.
You walk, you can see it.
Crack
Right
it come
down.
all the way to the bottom there. Yeah.
I mean, I say do them thing there too.
Yeah.
See next one more year.
Oh, so this is another one for the Christmas yam.
A 2 yam there, you know.
It's two?
One supposed to run back here, so.
Oh,
But me now go on there.
yeah.
You can spy the crack.
Right.
So, it's a one.
Oh. So you said these are ready for reap by next week.
By next, yeah, man. You can't do no, but
You choose to do it
yeah,
next
we do it.
week. Yeah.
See?
All right, so let's go into your other farm.
Yep.
Yep. And this one you say have yam and pumpkin.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. All right.
All right. My land start from here, so no.
Okay.
Start from here, so. You have to know if you skip mud now, you know.
So I realize. Oh. Ew.
Skip on the side there.
Okay. This is a lot of exercise.
All right, now you start on my own now.
Yes. Oh, yes. We reach just in time.
This is my one from way down here, so.
Oh, don't.
Straight on up.
Oh, wow. So right where we're looking at the mango tree down there.
It's all mines.
Yeah, going all the way up. Nice. Very nice.
Listen now is my one again.
Okay. This part too. Is the same type of yam?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one you're looking at over there, so now is a different kind. So black waist.
Black with upper top.
Way up at top of it, so.
And yellow down here, so.
Now let me a yellow.
Okay. Wow. Very nice. So when you're working on these farms, you need a lot of labor.
So it depends. Me do, me tell you when me get done. From me get me yam hill dig.
Yes.
And if me a cut, go to me get somebody cut here, you know, whatever, but the rest of it. And me just do it.
Oh. So you just take your time and just, do every little thing else. You cut costs too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can help yourself, you help yourself.
Yes.
You know, and so you can't help yourself. So, and if you have farm, and if you can't help yourself, you get knocked too.
Yeah.
So,
So
I'll let me on my own, you can see.
Oh. Okay.
And this can dig now too, you know.
Yeah. So we're coming from all the way over there, still going.
Yeah. See, you see the dirt? They're ready for dig too, you know. See it here? Look.
Oh.
See them there?
Yeah.
See them there? You can juke it, man. See it? See them there?
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is a drain. Oh, this look like spring, so.
No, spring. The water run down, but the spring is right underneath you, so.
Oh, there's a spring close
It
by.
never dry yet.
Okay.
Down there, so never dry yet.
Okay. Good.
See spring here, so now.
Okay.
And when you see banga in the heat, you know, so you not dry.
Yeah.
Same there swimming out there.
Oh.
So you not dry.
Well, me no see.
So-
Oh yeah, me just see one.
All them here, I might want know.
This is a
This
lot.
one going way down, so.
Yeah.
So we now where we go down, so today.
No, it don't look like we can tour this farm anymore. It's really big.
And say I'm look like a beer good too.
Yeah. How you know?
You know, because I see the hill them.
Okay.
See the hill them, you see the crack them, not them.
Cause me I look for the crack, but me no see no crack.
You see tree rainfall, some
Oh, it close it up.
Some of them close it back.
Okay, me think a special skills, it take to see the cracks. Cause me not see any.
And you know, so sometimes when you, all right, see like them, you know, then dry up.
Oh.
It's a yam seed in dry
Yeah.
up. So you know, so yam actually ready. And plus in a spring no more, you cut spring in, and the leaf them a change.
Okay, I see.
Leaf them a change turn yellow, like how they make yellow.
Yeah. Oh, wow. All right, so
Now show you.
are we going up the top again?
Yeah, man, climb hill.
Oh, Jesus. You hear that? You hear that, people? Mr. Harvey, Adam, if you climb the hill, you
Climb
know.
hill.
All right.
So when I cook now, me no need no skeleton come a bush.
Yes, you have scallion. Yeah, man. You have time too?
No, time hard to catch.
Okay.
Time hard to catch. You can't find a hill here. So it's
Oh,
steep.
that one, we can see the crack. Yeah.
No for them crack up, man. No for them. Show me pumpkin walk.
Okay.
Hello, what a big tree dropping out today.
You get a lot of breeze down this side?
Well, yeah, sometime.
Okay.
See, there's a crack here.
Oh,
Down
yeah.
here, so. I mean, just, yeah. It's a kind of loom, light loom. Not really light loom, heavy loom.
Heavy loom.
See, yeah, them just start growth. Some of them are growth. Yeah. Just plant them where they are. Just plant them where they are.
Okay. So let's how I don't see any hut.
Hot.
Uh-huh.
Me they so close to the road.
Oh, so when
And
it
me-
starts set up for rain, I just leave.
And me car park out the road. So.
Okay, you don't need no hut.
Eh. see them a growth here.
Oh. Yeah.
By next year they may ready again.
And see some of the pumpkin over there.
See pumpkin there.
Oh. Yeah.
And see pumpkin, the palm tree a beer. I found last year this plant, you know. And
Yes.
see in spring back.
Oh, so this one they dry up too.
And spring back and start beer again.
Okay. Oh wow, we're on top of the world. Look over there, so.
Chulani.
We're looking at Trelawney.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
See
See that?
See whoop a
Isn't that
pumpkin.
beautiful?
See whoop a pumpkin here
Oh
now.
my God.
See tree here we drop with you.
Oh,
Yeah. And last week it drop.
nice. So it destroy any of the pumpkins?
Supposed to, you know. Cause our pumpkin is right there so.
Oh,
And they drop right on.
yeah.
See pumpkin here, man. Right.
This is a big tree.
A big tree.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, I try to kill it. Because they are shading me. Look on the one here.
Nice. Very nice. It's a different type of pumpkin because I noticed the skin
Yeah.
look kind of rustic
Yeah,
like.
different kinds.
Huh?
Different kinds.
Yeah.
Different kinds. One pumpkin is supposed to be right up underneath somewhere. So I have to do now, I forget to a salmon to cut it up. Because next year now, when we plant back that egg ground there, they'll carry it up on the hill here, so.
Oh.
They'll carry it up on the hill.
So if you cut up this now, what you do with it?
Banky one side,
Oh,
tray one side.
you can use it to catch a fire when you're cooking.
Now if it dry, I can light it and it burn out, you know, but it'll take
Oh.
long.
Okay.
So maybe we not even move this year where I come neither.
Yeah.
Just plant Amaroni and just chop out the early mere. And plant Amaroni.
Okay.
By next year, it dry.
Yes.
So me just light it.
Oh, wow. Wow. What a view. So nice.
See pumpkin here again, man. Up a pumpkin here, you know. See, if you look where good, see I one push out here, so.
Oh, yeah. So you have to look where you're walking now. Oh, yeah. I see them. But they go all the way up in the ground there.
Yeah.
So we're still in a yam farm?
Yep.
Jeez. How you manage all of this?
Well, as me say, actually you have to live here.
Wow.
That's a maintenance say one time say, me da beg on one hand.
You da beg with your hand? But boy, I thought we couldn't.
Lift up the house, carry come down here. But I
Oh,
know,
you did a beg with your hand to lift your house, bring it down here?
but you never show up.
Lord of mercy. We still a try to figure out how to do that one.
no show up. I know.
Last of we fault you're still there at the roadside.
I know no show up.
This is what you call a Likkle, but you're taller because look at your size and look at this big farm. And then call you short man.
I can't name them give me.
But look at this farm that you're managing. You're doing an excellent job, man.
Well, if I do it myself, nobody can do it to me.
That is so true. That is so true. Well, Les, it was indeed a pleasure being here with you this morning. And thank you so much for the tour. And we appreciate you talking to us and showing us the farm and all of that.
You're welcome.
Yes. All right, so we hope to see you next time because, you know, once we come, we're family. So we'll be in touch. And
we see him every day.
yeah, you pretty much see us every day.
Wow.
So, viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for being with us and thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Until next time, stay blessed and be safe. Bye-bye.
Right.